everyone, Roger here. If you love real travel, the kind with good stories, practical tips, and no fluff, you're in the right place. Let's hit the road. After 35 hours on the Coast Starlight from Los Angeles, we finally rolled into Seattle. It was a classic Pacific Northwest evening, gloomy, gray, and a steady drizzle, making the platforms glisten under the station lights. Everyone was bundled up in winter gear, and at first glance, the platform looked like any other industrial stop. But stick with me, because what's waiting behind those doors is something I never expected. I've slowed the footage down here because I wanted you to really feel the atmosphere. Walking toward the station building, the facade starts to change. You see this beautiful light gray granite and these massive, heavy wood doors. Look at the brass hardware and those glass panels. It feels expensive, almost like entering a grand hotel rather than a train station. The contrast between that rainy, shabby platform and this high-standard architecture, it's just incredible. Step inside with me, look at that marble. The interior elevates this building to a completely different status. Whether it's the brass sconces on the walls or the chandeliers hanging from the ceiling, everything feels built to last. I actually veered off the main path where everyone else was going just to explore. I had to see the main hall. Even the baggage claim area has more rich detail than most modern airports. Once I grabbed my bags, I headed into the main passenger waiting hall. It's hard to even capture the scale of this intricate ceiling. My first thought was just, America used to build things with so much pride. Look at these high-back wooden benches. They look like the original 1906 furniture. Solid wood, perfectly polished. You can almost feel the history in the texture. I felt so lucky in this moment. This grand tour across the U.S. on Amtrak has given me the chance to see cities and buildings I would have missed from 30,000 feet in the air. Seattle's King Street Station isn't just a transit hub, it's a work of art. Thanks for coming along on this arrival with me. If you want to see more of this grand U.S. tour, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you at the next stop. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. See you on the next travel adventure.